My name is Phil.
And my name is Karla, and we're the owners of Airdrie Laundromat.
Airdrie Laundromat is a self-serve laundromat here in Airdrie.
We started looking into laundromats, and the reason for that is because we noticed it's a pain point for busy families, individuals, professionals, basically people from all walks of life. And so we started approaching different laundromats. This was already established in this community. It's been here for how long?
About a decade and plus years that's been around. What I love most about what we do here is, for me, it's the interaction with other people. I really enjoy that coming from a nursing background.
Business Link Alberta helped us with two things. The digital marketing program, and that helped us get our social media up and running. And the second one is market research. Finding out what the different businesses are in the area, who our competition is, and knowing complementary markets that would go with the laundromat.
Working with Business Link Alberta was straightforward and easy. They helped us every step of the way.
Other businesses have reached out to us to utilize our services. It definitely feels like a community when other small businesses ask us for help. We see that we're all helping each other in that way. Other businesses should utilize services from Business Link Alberta. It's a great starting point to get help with some of the things that they need: social media, marketing, market research, webinars, things that you would need in order to start your business.
There's no right time to start. You just have to grab onto it and seize the opportunity.